Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well in this situation of COVID. I am Dr. Vijay Kumar Vishwakarma, and today I am going to explain how to perform the MMPBSA analysis of protein ligand system. Basically, here I am going to use gmxMMPBSA tool provided by Veldas. Okay. So before going to start the detailed introduction, I am going to introduce a brief about the gmxMMPBSA software. Myself, Dr. Vijay Kumar Vishwakarma, and if you want to contact me, you can freely contact me on this email address, that is the vijyitsbbd@gmail.com. This email address you can also found in the description. Let us start about the gmxMMPBSA. So I am going to start from getting started. In Google, just search gmxMMPBSA, and you find that this website, that is the Valdez Crisanco. Okay, so when you click on this website, you reach to this page just here, and now click on getting started. So a little bit brief description about this website and this tool. What is basically this tool is gmx_MMPBSA, and the version is 1.5.2. So just scroll down and you see that here is the installation page. By clicking this, we reach to the installation page, and how to install this tool we can find out. But here I am going to little bit introduction about the GMPBSA. What is gmx_MMPBSA software and what you can do from this one. So with the help of gmx_MMPBSA tool, you can calculate PB, Poisson voltage Manon, generalized bone surface area analysis, and 3D RISC, alanine scanning, binding free energy of decomposition, entropy corrections, and based on these three features, stability and QM MMPBSA analysis. So in this lecture, I am only focusing on to calculate the PB, Poisson voltage Manon surface area analysis, that is the molecular mechanics coupled Poisson voltage Manon surface area analysis, this part only. Now this tool support too many systems. Like here in this portion, you find that it support for protein system, it support for protein ligand system. But basically in this video lecture, I am going to teach you how to perform MMPBSA analysis for protein ligand system, because in previous lecture you have I have teaches about how to simulate the protein ligand complex. So in continuation to this one, I am going to perform a video lecture on the MMPBSA analysis of protein ligand complex. But this tool also provide protein DNA, metalloprotein peptide, protein glycans, membrane protein, and so many. So these are the supported system, and these are the features. These are the features. So the next part of this video will be how to install. One thing before going to installation, I also want to tell you that this website have basically two tools. One is g_MMPBSA and another is gmx_MMPBSA_NM. Basically, this tool is used for analysis, but there is a problem. Since I am using this tool in Windows subsystem for Linux, so I am unable to use this tool. So in the last part, if you getting any error, but this error is only due to NR part, so this is not a basically error. This is only due to because Linux in Windows do not support GUI, graphical user interface. This part is not supported by the Linux subsystem for Windows. So don't worry, in last I will tell how to perform and get the proper result. Now this installation page, just click on the installing. Next, in this part, we saw that the gmxMMPBSA require Gromacs and its support for the latest series 20xx.x end. This is the end. So remember, ambertools is must. Clear? And Python. So in this video lecture, I will tell you how to compile ambertool and how to install gmx_MMPBSA. But if you want to understand how to install Gromacs, you must to go my playlist and was how to install Gromacs in Windows and Linux. I have a lecture series on this one. Next, we saw that the installation first is it is compulsory to compile ambertool, and I am going to explain within few minutes. But here we saw that the overall running is mainly based on conda environment or miniconda. If you install conda in your Linux, it is far better to get the result using gmx_MMPBSA. So my lecture is mainly focused on the conda environment of use of gmx_MMPBSA. Here the commands for the conda environment are given. For the conda environment, just read these lines and you find that it does not require the compilation of ambertool or Gromacs. So it is far better, but I will tell, here I want to tell you that you have to install the Gromacs, and it is also better if you install the ambertools. But it does not require the compilation of ambertool and Gromacs. Now, the hands-on practice. This practice have total 4 parts. First is environment creation. Second is installation of miniconda. Third is installation of gmx_MMPBSA. And fourth is testing and running of MMPBSA. So first of all, here the openmpi, Python, pip, these softwares are necessary to install first. So these are the script to install these softwares. So just copy it. This script, I will also share this script in description. So you can use this script or just copy or type here and paste in terminal. Now press enter and just type your password. Press enter. So until these compilation of OpenMPI will occur, I pause the video. Now the installation of OpenMPI completed. Now go for the next command, that is to install Python. So just copy a type sudo apt-get install Python. Just paste here and enter. Just type Y and press enter. Until the Python installed, I further pause the video. Now the installation of Python completed. So we have to, next installation is the installation of pip. Just copy this command. I type here sudo apt-get install Python 3-pip and press enter. Type Y and press enter and wait until the compilation of pip will occur. Now the installation of pip was completed. So we have to go for the next command, that sudo apt-get upgrade and update. And these two commands is necessary because the installation of Python, pip and openmpi will be set in the environment of Linux. Very better, because if anything will be missing, this update command will fix it. So we have to run these two commands. Now copy this and paste here and run this command. Now again we have to wait until this command are completed. So again I am pausing the video. Now the upgrade command is completed. So we have to move towards the next command, that is sudo apt-get update. Just copy it and paste in terminal and press enter. Again, I am pausing the video until the command were completed. Now the update command is completed. So we have to move towards the installation of miniconda. There are two options. You can also install conda, but the miniconda is the small part of conda. So here our work will be completed with the help of miniconda. So just copy this first command and paste on terminal. Press enter. Here, the miniconda is being downloaded from this source. Now, the download of miniconda were completed, so we have to move to the next command and just copy this and paste in terminal. Just copy this command. And now press enter. Now move to the next command. Copy it and paste here. Now press enter. Here it is asking to press enter to continue. Now press enter. These are the terms which we have to agree, because Anaconda or Miniconda is a free program and it is attributed to the any party under the certain condition. So we have to read these conditions by clicking enter. Just click enter and all the disclaimer conditions came one by one. So if you want to read these conditions, just read it. Now finally it comes and tells type yes or no if you want to accept these terms. So you have to type here yes to install the miniconda. Now again it is asking you to specify to install the miniconda in this directory. If you are agree, to press enter. If you want to about the installation, control plus C, and R, you can specify a different location. But I think this location is fine for me. So here I am pressing enter. Now the miniconda is being installed. So again, I am pausing the video. If any error occur, I will explain how to come back with this error. If no error, I will show all the process apart here. Now here it is asking to do you wish the installer to initialize miniconda 3. So here by running the conda initiate yes or no. So here we have to type as to initiate the miniconda. Type as and press enter. Now a message came, thank you for installing miniconda. Means the miniconda installation barabar. Now we have to set the auto activate base as a false, since it is saying that the conda is not activated. So we can activate the conda by using this command. Now it is saying that for changes to read here, for changes to take effect, close and reopen your current cell. So just close and reopen your terminal. Now type here it is very pleasant. If you find a letter or word right base, now reopening the terminal, and if you find that a letter base is written before your command prompt, it means the miniconda is successfully installed to your terminal in Ubuntu. So we have to move towards the next command. So if you want to check whether the base is set to true or false, you run this command. Otherwise, do not need to run this command. Now go for the this command. Now copy it and just paste in terminal. Now reopen the terminal and run the command conda update conda and press enter. When we press enter, it asks again to update these files of the conda, and here just type y and press enter. So one by one it downloaded these files and install. So until for this, I have to pass the video. Now the updation of conda were done. So we have to move towards the next command. And the next command is just copy it and paste in terminal. And press enter. Just wait for the few seconds until the installation of these files were completed. Now the all is done and no error take place. You see here, preparing transaction, verifying transaction, and executing transaction is done, and no any error will take. So we can move towards the next command. And next command is conda activate gmxMMPBSA. Now copy it and paste here. In terminal and press enter. Now next command, press enter. And wait until this command will come. Wait until this command is being completed. So here I am pausing the video. Now the command is completed. Just check it. Just check here. If any error will occur, so first before going to forward, you have to solve the error. But in this case, there is no any error. So we have to move towards the next command. And the next command is Python. So just copy it and paste here. And press enter. So now the command is moving. So again, I am pausing the video, and after the completion of command, I will tell how to go. So it said successfully, and finally we get successfully installed this package. So after the successful completion of the command, we have to move further. So now copy this command and paste. And press enter. And wait for the execution of the command. Now the package pyqt5 successfully installed. So we have to move for the next command. Just copy the final and last command and paste in terminal. Press enter. So finally we getting the message saying that successfully installed GMX MMPBSA 1.5.2 means we have successfully installed the program. So now it is time to test and execute the program. So for testing the program, we have to copy this command and paste this command in terminal. Now press enter. So finally, you saw that the gmxMMPBSA underscore test is running, and after running the half of the program, we may get some error. But when the error will come, I will tell how and what the meanings of this error. So I am pausing again the video until the program is completed. Sorry, and until.
Now it is time to test the program. When we tested the program using this command gmx underscore MMPBSA underscore test, this program initially tested for the following system: protein ligand, single trajectory approximation. If you get the result done, basically these are the programs and approximation by which your calculation will be gone through. So if you get the result in positive way without showing any error, like this one result, and these are the total 9 module inbuilt in gmx MMPBSA. Okay, but here you get the result opening gmx under MMPBSA underscore ANA. So initially I told you that the ANA is the graphical user interface. ANA is graphical user interface, that is GUI, and in Ubuntu that is based on Windows, the graphical user interface is not supported. So you get the error that we could not import pyqt6 and gmx_MMPBSA. So don't worry, everything is fine. Okay, because it is not open only due to GUI interface, because this facility is not given in Ubuntu that is supported on canonical group. So don't worry, everything is fine. If you are running this command in Ubuntu, okay, Ubuntu, you get that a window will open and Anna will be open. Now go to the website, and under documentation, you find that gmxMMPBSA Anna is the graphical user interface. Just scroll down and you find that you can see that this type of window will open, and this is the graphical user interface of gmx_MMPBSA. So don't worry, if you are using on Ubuntu, you get the result in such a way, and for the Linux subsystem and Windows, the command line will work fine for you, because we get the successful installation message of gmx_MMPBSA. So now it is time to run our MMPBSA simulation. You also scroll down and find that in gmx_MMPBSA, you have a different types of environment to plot the graph and this value. But for window, like you can see this video, and how to use the gmx, you can be analyzed by seeing this video. Okay, but if you are running on command line, I will tell how to perform the calculation and get the result, which is useful for your publication. If you want to graphical result in term of graph, you must have to use gmx_MMPBSA_Anna to get the graph. So it is far better to run this simulation on Ubuntu. But don't worry, how to perform the simulation, I will tell you. So in next step, we have to download the MMPBSA.in file, which will be used in the command line. And the command for the particular example can be found in example tab. Just click on example tab and go for the protein ligand system. Here I am going to perform the MMPBSA analysis of protein ligand. If you want to other system like protein glycan, protein DNA, so you can click on the that system. For protein protein ligand, we have to click on protein ligand. Okay, now in protein ligand there are two methodology. First is for the other force field, and second is specialized for the charm force field. So you can go for the that command which will be suitable for your MD simulation. Means what the force field you have applied in MD simulation, the command line will be changed, but the basic command is this one. Just copy it and paste on terminal. But for the charm force field, that the command work for me, I have a different command, slight different, where the trajectory were also included. So just open the gmx, that one, and this is the command by which I get the result. So just copy it and paste in terminal. Before running this command, we have this input file, that is MMPBSA.in. Okay, to download this file, go on the website and click on the gmxMMPBSA version 1.5.2 just here, and you get the link for the GitHub, the original website. Just go for the code and download zip file. Since I already downloaded it, so I am pausing this and go in my download folder, and I already extracted this one, gmx_MMPBSA master. Click on here, and in the folder gmx_MMPBSA, go for the example. 1 second, docs. In docs, you get the example and choose the protein ligand system, that one. And my MD simulation is mainly based on charm force field. So here I will click on the example which is based on protein ligand charm. In this folder, you find that MMPBSA.in file, the file format is in. Okay, so just copy this file. Just copy this file and paste where the result of MD simulation were. And my ligand result is in this folder. That is the basically arginine and one ligand. So here I paste that one, and you see that this is the MD simulation result, MD_0_1 XTC. So mainly these files, MD_0_1 TPR, index file, XTC file, and topol.top file were needed. So as per your need, what is the name of XTC file? You can rename the command. Okay, in original command, it will be some other name, but I have this one, MD_0_1 no_pbc.xtc. So I will rename the command as per the name of the my XTC file, TPR file, and topol.top. So just copy this command and paste in terminal. Before pasting in terminal, we have to move under the directory where the results of MD simulation were written. So now I am going to, in my directory, okay, fine. This is the ARG dash link. So now type cd ARG dash link. Now the directory is same where the protein ligand MD simulation results were written. And now paste the command. This is the command. Okay. Oh, just copy the whole line and paste here. Okay, now this is the whole command. So now click the enter. Now click on enter button and wait until the result were came. So you can see that the command line operation of gmx_MMPBSA is running with the help of this command. And finally, in the final of this result, we get some output files, and how to analyze or open these output files, I will let you know once the command will completed. So until the video will be too large, so I am pausing the video, and after the completion of commands, I will resume it. So finally, bet of approximately 1 to 2 hours, we get a result, and these results were ended in the final error. But this error is to gmx underscore MMPBSA underscore NR. So don't worry, your simulation is finalized successfully, but only error is that your NR version is not running. If you want to successful analysis of result, you have to perform this on Ubuntu. If you are using Ubuntu, then you do not get any result. And other graphs regarding the salvation energy, entropy change, binding energy, these can be found with the help of NR. So you can go through the website, this one, and just go here, and you can find that how to use the NR, and NR is a very simple software, and I think you can only get a graph by a single click, so you can use it. For a simple video, here I am playing the video, and you can also watch the video how to analyze the result with the help of NR. Okay, if you browse or your NR is functional, you get a direct graph and result. But in case where it is taking time, so I am skipping this part, you can go and visit this video that is placed on the website result, how to analyze the result in that case where the NI is not functioning. Okay, so go in folder, just see, this is the final result underscore MMPBSA .dat file, and this is the MMPBSA ligand frame file, and one thing, dot output file will be this one. Sorry, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, this is dat file and this is output file. Okay, so with the help of output file and dat file, you can analyze the result. Clear? Simply right click on this file and open with notepad. Scroll down. In the error section, you will find that unable to start gmxMMPBSA means the analysis of result is uncompleted, but the overall result is finalized. You can also check this from here with the info tab, finalizing gmx underscore MMPBSA error equals to 0 and warning equals to 0 means gmx underscore MMPBSA is perform its activity very carefully and neatly, so you do not get any error. The results can also be found in gmx_MMPBSA.log file for more details. So you have to go on the log file, just click here. This is the log. What is the gmx.log file for more details? Okay. Or if you do not getting the log file, in case you can also go the final result file. These two files is very important. So result_gmx_MMPBSA. Just right click on this one and open with Notepad. Since this is the output result of ENA, so you get a here you get a script that you are unable to read, but in last section you get this some values just here by using this value, and in last go in last here. So this is the last table where the delta energy in terms of I bond, bond angle, dihedral, and van der Waals forces, electrostatic, polar solvation energy, and delta G gas phase, delta G solvation, and total binding energy. So you get the final result, and this table is very much helpful because this is the delta of energy, and delta will be calculated with the help of complex minus receptor minus ligand. So this table is very useful. Now the next file is dat file, that is final result underscore MMPBSA.dat. So to open the result of this file, you have to open the Excel in window. Just open the Microsoft Excel. Go in file, open computer, C drive, and your respective folder, arg-lib, all files, and that is the final result underscore MMPBSA.dat file. Just open it. Now you have to very careful when you going to open, because the results is in a different format that is not a compatible to the Excel file. So you have to choose here space, and in that case your result will be separated by the columns where the space were occurred. So just click on next and finally finish. So these are the tables. Just compare this table with this one. So I told you that the last table is very much useful, that is 12.78 and so on. Here you also get 12.78 in Excel format. Just copy and use in your publication, and this table is very much useful because this is the compilation of delta energy values. Clear? If you want to use another table, you go for the result and detailed analysis of the result based on the different research articles. So this is the overall result and the analysis of the gmMPBSA, and how to perform the gmMPBSA analysis, how to analyze the result, and what are the commands, how to install gmx underscore MMPBSA, etc. This is the all about. So hope you enjoy the lecture, and thank you for watching my video. If you like the fort, please subscribe. Thank you very much.